So today we talk about just seeing the footer ready. Yes, let's start. Where will most jobs be in the future? Many jobs might be online and global. Workplace could be smaller and teams could be bigger cross countries. What will the work be like? Ours will be more flexible than now. People will be able to work at home or in co-working space. Which skill will be important? English-based coding and teamwork soft skill will be more important than memorizing facts. How will AI and robots change jobs? Role will do harder and more dangerous tasks. People will do more creative and social work. While AI, yes, will be able to finish tasks faster. We just could grow healthier teacher, green energy workers, and they just could have more open than today, which just might be less common. Some cashier, driver, and factory jobs might be fewer because of automation. How will hiring change? Interviews will be more online. Portfolios and small projects could be more useful than long CVs. What tool will workers use? Cloud apps, AI assistant, and advanced translation communication will be easier and faster than now. Will salaries and benefits change? Pay might vary by skill. Benefits could include more trade and better mental health support. How will offer how will office and cities adapt where office will be smaller and greener. Cities could have better public transport and cleaner space for remote workers. One can student to prepare, learn English and digital which make simple projects and practice teamwork with these students will be able to get both better opportunities. Final idea about jobs in the future. Jobs will be more flexible, more global, and more human-centered with technology as helpful tool.